come rewind. Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you're loving every night, it make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, you my money, I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. It ain't making money, J's. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yamii D here, and today is going to be a weekly vlog. I'm about to be on my way to get my toes done because I need my toes done badly. So I'm thinking I should just pick up the camera and vlog because I haven't vlogged in a while. So, and I got a little tripod so I can drive and vlog for you guys. I was supposed to go get my toes done with my friend, but that girl just woke up and I've been up, so I'm just gonna go to the salon by my house and then head to work. And then I'm basically just gonna film my day because I do have 2 clients today, and then I need to just go home and pack because I am going to Atlanta. This girl is bugging. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and also film my clients today because I know you guys like to see that, so I'll also film like me doing my clients today. And I also have clients tomorrow because today is Saturday, and then I have clients on Sunday, and then on Monday I leave to go to Atlanta. So I just figured I should vlog because I haven't been vlogging in a while, and I kind of miss, obviously I miss YouTube. I feel like I've been in I don't want to say a funk, I will call it more like, just feel like I'm just like going with the flow. Like I haven't been vlogging as much as I used to, and even with my business I feel like I want to take my business further than what it is right now, and I feel like I need to just go back to how I was, because before like I was focused with like everything. Like I was getting my shit together with work, I was getting my shit together with YouTube, I was being consistent on YouTube, and I need to go back to doing to how I was, because I feel like I was very consistent. And then once I haven't picked up a camera since I haven't picked up a camera I feel like since April, and then you guys haven't seen a vlog since like 2 months, but I'm like I haven't been consistent in like damn near 4 months, which is crazy because I feel like I love the satisfaction of like posting on YouTube weekly, being able to post YouTube on weekly, my business, even though my business is not bad, it's just I want it to be, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I just need to get my shit together, and I'm gonna get my shit together. So
don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' about money, bait. Sit back and roll a whole eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool, different race. Straight on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seen no slum of the day. Trouble, you come from the hate. Straight back and off, ain't waiting. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Come through that shit, ease the pain. Like you a simple pain. RICO and sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? Ain't it for witches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch well of the face. Getting the rest at the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the car.
so I'm back home. I just finished fixing up my hair, and I'm gonna start packing. I need to clean up my room because I have so much stuff everywhere. That's why I'm kind of like in this weird space in my room, because I don't want to show you guys how messy my room is. I have accumulated so many stuff. Like I've been ordering a lot of stuff, and I want to do like a collective haul to show you guys some of the stuff I bought. But that's gonna be a whole nother video if I ever do it. But hopefully I do it. But right now I'm gonna show you a PR package that I got from Good Molecule. So Good Molecule reached out to me and wanted to send me a few of their skincare stuff, and you guys already know I am obsessed with skincare. So when they hit me up, I was all for it. I was really excited. We're gonna open it and I'm gonna show you guys what I got from them. So they sent me some stuff and this is what it looks like. It just came in this cute little box. So they sent me 4 products. The first thing is their discoloration correcting serum, and this improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So if you are anyone, this would be perfect for you, because I feel like a lot of people suffer from hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and I love serums like this. I'm definitely going to add this in my routine. And then I also got the overnight exfoliating treatment. This is what the bottle looks like. Fermented with AHA and BHA to help resurface and renew skin. Maybe I should use this tonight. I'm gonna put this to the side. I want to use this tonight because I've been like breaking out lately. Like I've been having like hormonal acne, and I usually like break out around my chin, so I'm definitely gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. Anyways, they also sent me their ultra hydrating facial oil, and the last thing they sent me is their niacinamide brightening toner. So yeah, I am super grateful for them. Thank you, Good Molecule. I'm really excited to use your products. I am obsessed with skincare. Like I have so much skincare products and I love trying new stuff, so I'm really excited to try this out. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and then try these two, the ultra hydrating facial oil and then the overnight exfoliating treatment. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean up my room, and like I'm probably just gonna put aside what I want to pack. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow morning. I have, I think, 4 clients tomorrow, so yeah, I'll vlog that as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. I'm headed to work right now. I wanted to get some Starbucks, but I wanted to get breakfast actually, but I'm like, let me treat myself with Starbucks. But the Starbucks around here kind of sucks. Like every time I come here, it's always a problem. Like, and I don't know, but I wanted a Starbucks, so I'm actually here. I'm going through the drive-thru right now. I don't know if I want to get a matcha, because I freaking love matcha. I don't know if I want to get matcha or if I want to get like a nice fruity refresher, but I'm thinking I might just get the fruity refresher, because I don't know, I feel like matcha is only good in like the winter time, but I don't know. So I'm gonna get that. I'm probably just gonna get some like a breakfast sandwich. So, and then I'm gonna head to work. It's really early right now. It's 10:41. My first client is not until 12, so I have a lot of time. I'm just gonna get my Starbucks. I'll show you guys what I get, and then we're gonna head to work.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo. Take off the Sandro, pay 5 days stay, take off for the meal, hella Fido. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad. Take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I mad. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off, and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about us? You out of pocket. Who you think they carry up for us?
First time in a long time, hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time, hurting deeply. Trust who? Watching my back, even when I'm in the booth. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing, but I'm kinda clean. I like you.
So I'm back home, you guys. Right now it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 p.m. I have a flight at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Have I packed? No. Just honestly, I hate the idea of packing. It's just too much work and it takes me too long. Like I pack for 2 hours. But anyways, I'm literally rambling and I'm procrastinating. I need to pack. My flight, like I said, is at 10 a.m. Probably gonna leave my house at 8:30 to get to the airport. See you guys tomorrow morning at my flight. So yeah.
Won't you? My mind, I'm supposed to. Your mind, for the first time.